This is another video for Worcester boiler for the low pressure. If its pressure is low, this is a Worcester greenish tap. So you can find the filling loop like this, the white one. So you push it in properly and then look, then you open here, this one. So you open here, there, just twist this one, left and right is close. Okay, so you need this key. Normally you find it here in the case, and you put it in properly, lock position. Then you just, what you do, this one, this white one, you open it left, like you loosen it. See, so its pressure is going up, so I'm putting the finger there. So see, pressure is going up, 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 up. Yeah. So the pressure is say 1.5. Yeah. So pressure is now say 1 point here. So I'm closing it. I'm gonna tighten it. See, it's closing. This one closing. Then I'm gonna unlock, pull it down. That's it. So what you do when you unlock position, go up, then lock. That's the thing. So go in and lock. Then I can put it back in here. Thank you.